Did you know there's one key system you have to have in place at your contracting business to handle more jobs every day with fewer headaches? Now, 95% of contractors don't use this secret system, and most don't even know that it exists. Now, hey, I'm Luke Hansen. I spent 15 years working every job you can do at my family's local contracting business, and since then, I've helped over 25,000 business owners overcome their daily headaches by implementing this system. This secret system I'm talking about is a photo accountability system. Now, I know you're probably thinking, what the heck is a photo accountability system? How's that going to solve my problems? I'm here to tell you, a photo accountability system is the thing that gives you proof. No wondering or hoping. When you have a photo accountability system, you can be sure. It gives you proof of work done. How many times have you been texting, calling, driving around, trying to figure out where things are at, what people need, making sure that the work gets done? If you have a photo accountability system, you see the proof instantaneously when the work's done. It adds that layer of accountability to everyone in the field. Number two, it gives you proof of quality. At my family roofing business, we used to drive around and inspect every roof we did because we wanted to make sure it was good. Then we implemented this photo accountability system. We didn't have to go inspect them anymore. All the guys knew we were going to see every photo they took on the roof. They had to document what they were doing. So we saw instantly the quality of work, and no one wants to be the person doing the bad work, having everyone else see it and make fun of them. We didn't have to do inspections anymore because we had this photo accountability system and everyone knew. There was transparency through our organization. Number three, it's proof to the customer. You've probably been in arguments about, well, it was like that before, or you damaged my plants, or any number of things that can go wrong. When you have a photo accountability system, you have before photos, you have photos during, you have photos after. They're all time-stamped. They're all provable. So when a dispute arises, you can get to the bottom of it. Even if it was your fault, you can find out instantly and you're not going back and forth and everyone's getting frustrated with each other. That is the value of a photo accountability system. You probably see how this is going to solve some of your daily headaches and allow you to just get more work done without having to hire a whole bunch of extra staff to manage your business. That's why you need to use a photo accountability system. But where do you get one? Well, you guessed it. I started Company Cam 8 years ago because I could not find a photo accountability system built for the contracting space. Click the link below to try it free for 2 weeks. See the proof for yourself. Now, you've only got 2 weeks, so you've got to dive in, but it's easy to get started. You can have everyone up and running in 5 minutes, and you can start seeing what's going on, getting the proof of work done, getting the proof of quality, and giving proof to your customer. Try it today.